He rode beside Joan of Arc. He was one of the most decorated soldiers in French history, a Marshal of France, a war hero. Then the wars ended. Gilles de Rais retreated to his castle in 1435, and over the next decade, somewhere between 140 and 300 children vanished from the surrounding villages. He took them in, fed them, then killed them. Peasants whispered, children kept disappearing, but no one investigated a man that powerful until 1440, when a bishop finally forced a trial. What happened next shocked even the judges. Gilles de Rais confessed to everything, in detail, unprompted. He described the crime so specifically that grown men wept in the courtroom and begged him to stop. He was executed that same year. No one knows exactly what broke inside him when the fighting stopped, what turned a celebrated commander into France's most prolific child killer. But the answer was somewhere in that castle, and it stayed buried there for centuries.